Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to get 3 things for 99 cents from AliExpress. Actually, the thing is that those deals on AliExpress are usually limited time promotions and you cannot find them simply like that, but you can at least try. So at the top of your screen, go to search bar and try typing 3 items for 99 cents and to look what AliExpress can offer you. But you have to check the price of the item and make sure that it says 3 pieces or 3 items for that price. And also watch out for shipping, because sometimes free shipping can take forever and some deals are not available worldwide. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.